Я сейчас вам прочитаю историю по-английски. Про девочку, которая у нее было много игрушек, но она не была счастливая. И одну ночь ей приснился сон. At the bottom of the steps, Diana saw a small orange light in front of her. It got bigger and bigger. It's a tiger, Diana thought. The tiger walked slowly towards her, but Diana didn't feel afraid. Ask me a question, child, the tiger said quietly. Why aren't I the happiest child in the world? Diana asked. I have hundreds of games in my bedroom, hundreds of different clothes, hundreds of CDs that I can listen to, and DVDs that I can watch. People aren't happy because they have things. Child, the tiger said, be kind to your friends and be kind to animals and enjoy the light from the sun, moon and star. Do that and you can be happy again.